Don't stress. If today is wrong, tomorrow will be right. And if today is right, something might go wrong according to you tomorrow. According to Allah, it did not go wrong. It was His plan for you and for me. One of the things that Allah has kept for Himself, knowledge, only Allah knows what is going to happen tomorrow. What are you going to earn? What is going to happen to you and to me tomorrow? Meaning in the future. Who knows it? Wallahi, wallahi, only Allah knows. Only Allah knows. You can plan, Allah can let the plan go ahead. But you can plan, Allah can change the plan. You can think, Allah knows, and He is the only one who knows what will happen tomorrow. So develop your relation with Allah. Plan good things. When you plan to do your salah, Allah will reward you with the intention, innamal a'malu bin niyat. Allah Almighty is in charge. He is in control.